Well then, that's me home. There's nobody else home. Don't rely on that clock too much. It's an hour out, so it's now 3:15. Not a feather, as we say in the trade. So, let's see how this goes. So, the 5. 3:20. 1. It doesn't look two-faced. That is Mr. 4519, who will win sharp. Compared to a 12-15 hen. Doesn't like up or down. Good boy, go on in. Straight into his hen. Red check, dear, that yours? I've got one. And 2 up there. Oh, and 1 over there. So, what do I make? 6 altogether? There's the mealy. Little shit bag. Oh, here's another 4. My old mealy. Come on, babas. Come on, boys. Oh. Somebody's needing a drink. So I'll count them as droppers. Come on, lass, go on. In you come, go on. Good girl. That's about right. Now we'll do it as droppers. 2. So if Happy Clappy Mealy can get his arse home, then we should be okay. This looks like that bar might be an unrung test pilot. Marge is filming for her new YouTube channel. It's Marge at TTR Pigeons. Right, what we got here? We'll call that. Go on, lass, in you go. Go on. Mares of white coming in. The white? What? That's not way up the road. That's coming in flying.
Where's that flying?
No, haven't they? No, it is coming up for the road. Go on, drop, bub. Go on, little baba, drop. We haven't had the 5th one too. Here's another one dropping. Boy, they're coming in high today, guys. These are coming in high today. Is it mine or is it Madge's? This is the beauty of flying together. Oh, looks. Oh, oh, oh. What do we got there? Who are you? Come on, Bobs, come on. How dare you suggest my birds are sitting up in that cable? They'll be yours.
I usually jumped in the trap.
6, 7. Come on and keep it coming, kids. Come on. 7 through the dropper. 8 through the dropper. Come on, the Bambinos. 9 through the dropper. Come on, old mister, your hen's gone in. Where have you been, little white thing? I don't know what you're up to. I lost count now, I think I said 9. Told her. That's one for the Marge, come down off the wire, so... How many got dropped? In. So that was number 4. What, the wee bar? Oh, I'm told it's a strag. Prove me wrong, she's absolutely right. The other one's on the wire or mine, but we'll take that. 9. 10. I think your girls over 10, son. 10 in the hole.
Tell you the one's up the pole with yours.
Go in, you old tart. 11. Yeah, I'm just filming you because you look pretty whitey. 11. Okay, I've now changed the clock. So after round 5, from 20 birds each, the scores are 4 to Lindsay and 11 to me. But I do have 2 up there twinkling about, being lovely to each other. 15 back out of 40 so far. Wait a minute, who are you? You just got back. Right, I think the checker there is just back. Still 11 dropped, that's how we're counting them today, so we'll see what develops. Here we go, this one here. Walking back to happiness. Oh, could it be, could it be, could it be, could it be? So, who are you? Oh, you'll be 44770. Oh boy. This is piss off, I'm not going in there. Oh, is everybody going in there? Yes, go on in. Sometime today, boys and girls. Possibly not. Yes, so that's the pair of sooties. That's the 102 white flight hen with 2334, her boy. Regardless what Emily says, they've just finished rearing the round a week, 10 days ago. 2 chicks they reared. So they're happy to chill out and fly. Like Missy White's that's not done anything today. Go boy, on you go, come on. Nah, too nice a day to sit in the shed. Here you go, my little city queen. 11, 11, 11, come on, come on, come on, come on. Well, Babs, come on. Should we stop talking to me? You put me off. Get her in, lad, get her in. Oh. See you on race day, that would give you a heart attack. Good God. $12. You need to go in now, mister, she's gone. Oh, she could be going off another colt, man. Come on, hurry up. 12. Oh, that's it, you lost her. She's away. She's gone off with somebody else now. 13. Fucking arsehole. Numbers are 13. Pain in the hoop cock.
Got one flying high. Here's the guy, is he coming round? He's coming round, he's coming up high. He's coming round. Surely that's in a mine. Lost him. He's up the pole anyway. Come hijacked Jip's phone, by the way, because he's making my tea. Come on. There he is. Check the white flag. Sorry, the sun's in my eyes. Come on, boy. Where are you? Oh, there you go. Hiya, son. There you go. Jip's got escapees out, so we never ken what's coming and going. Escapees. So this checker's just arrived, and I don't know if it's mine or his. Wait a minute, I'll just tell you. Come on. It's my checker. Hey boy. Come on then. It's my checker. Yeah. Come on, boy. Come on then. I really like this checker actually. It's lovely. Hey boy. Come in. Come on. Come on. Look at Jip's babies on the bath. They're cute. They're cute babies. He's having a bath.
So while waiting for further arrivals, welcome to the new lamb bank. This is maybe for the brachius. Bobbins there, the black one might be a wee bit early, might have to put him back, but nice to see they're out having a preen, realise what a bath is. And we have, I think we have 8, 9 in there just now. But I brought the black one out because Dad is really tough to buy the nest. We'll maybe pop him back in on the floor later. Here you go, Bubba. Go on, Bubba. Get in there and have a duke. Updates to follow.